Today, we're going to explore the amazing features that make dragonflies some of the most fascinating and dangerous insects on the planet. From their incredible flying abilities to their roles as fierce predators, we'll uncover what makes these creatures so unique. Plus, we'll discover how their extraordinary traits inspire new technologies. Stick around till the end, because there is a lot to know about dragonflies. Did you know that dragonflies can fly in a way that seems like magic? They have 4 wings, and each one can move independently. This means that while one wing is flapping up, the other can be flapping down or even hovering in place. Imagine being able to fly backwards, make sharp turns, or even zip up and down without losing speed. Dragonflies can do all of this. Their wings are not only strong but also super flexible, allowing them to perform aerial acrobatics that would impress even the best pilots. They can even perform barrel rolls and loop the loops. This incredible movement helps them evade predators and catch their prey. Dragonflies can also hover around in one spot, just like a helicopter, which is especially useful when they are hunting. They can stay perfectly still in the air while scanning for food. What other cool flying abilities do you think dragonflies might have? Now, let's talk about what makes dragonflies not just amazing flyers, but also fierce predators. Both baby dragonflies, called nymphs, and adult dragonflies are expert hunters. Nymphs live underwater and have a special jaw that can shoot out to grab their prey, like tiny fish or even tadpoles. Can you imagine having a jaw that can stretch out like a superhero's arm? When they grow up into adults, dragonflies become even more skilled hunters. They can catch up to 95% of the prey they chase. They sneak up on their food and use their speed and agility to catch it. Adult dragonflies can fly at speeds of up to 30 miles per hour. They have excellent eyesight, which helps them spot their next meal from far away. Their diet mainly consists of other insects, such as mosquitoes and flies, making them important for controlling pest populations. What do you think their favorite food might be? Dragonfly nymphs are truly like little aliens. They have some bizarre features that help them survive in their underwater world. For example, they breathe through gills located in their rectum. This allows them to stay underwater for a long time without needing to come up for air. But that's not all. They can also shoot water out of their bodies to propel themselves quickly, like a jet ski. This rapid movement helps them escape from predators and catch prey. Some nymphs even leave the water and hunt on land, using their quick reflexes to grab insects that come too close. They can stay underwater for several months to a few years, depending on the species, before they finally emerge as adults. How do you think they manage to do that? Imagine living in a secret underwater world before transforming into a flying creature. Their eyes are one of the coolest things about them. They have 2 large compound eyes that are made up of thousands of tiny lenses. This gives them a wide field of vision, almost like having a 360-degree view of everything around them. They can see colors that humans can't, including ultraviolet light, which helps them find food and mates. In addition to their compound eyes, dragonflies have 3 simple eyes on top of their heads that help them detect light and movement. This incredible vision allows them to spot prey from far away and even track it as it moves. They can see things in motion much better than we can. Imagine being able to spot a tiny mosquito from a distance while flying. What do you think they see when they look at the world? Dragonflies have been around for a really long time, over 300 million years. That's even before dinosaurs roamed the Earth. They have changed very little over time, which makes them a fascinating example of evolution. A long time ago, dragonflies were much larger than they are today. Scientists believe this was because the air had more oxygen back then. Imagine a dragonfly the size of a bird. These giant dragonflies could have had wingspans of up to 2 feet. But as birds evolved, they started to hunt dragonflies, leading to smaller dragonflies that could escape more easily. This adaptation helps them survive in a world filled with predators. What do you think life was like for dragonflies back in the time of dinosaurs? Were they the kings of the sky? Dragonflies are not just fascinating creatures. They also inspire scientists and inventors. Their amazing flying abilities and hunting skills have led to the creation of new technologies. For example, researchers are working on drones that mimic dragonflies' movements. While we don't have flying robots that can match a dragonfly's skills yet, scientists are learning from them to make better flying machines. These drones could be used for many purposes, from delivering packages to searching for lost people. The way dragonflies can change direction so quickly and hover in place has sparked ideas for improving how we design aircraft. What other animals do you think could inspire new inventions? Dragonflies are truly incredible creatures with amazing abilities and adaptations. From their unique flying skills to their fierce hunting techniques, they are a perfect example of nature's creativity. They play important roles in our ecosystems by controlling insect populations and serving as food for other animals. What questions do you still have about these extraordinary insects? Subscribe and leave a comment on what you found most interesting about dragonflies.